If your cPanel file cannot delete, you can first click the right button and delete, skip and confirm. That file cannot delete. How can fix this? This file permission is very important. Now first of all we change the file permission for 755, change, and internal all of that folder permission change, this one file 777. Then you can back to home page and select, right click, delete. Same problem. How can I fix it? Next method will be run. Now we are try second method. This right click and change permission 316 and 2. Okay, change. Then 562 permission, again delete. Is it same problem? Again we try delete and don't skip that file and try this. Boom, this one is deleted. Thank you for watching.